Real estate versus stocks. Which investment is right for you? Ever wonder if you're missing out on the real estate boom? We're diving deep into the age-old debate, real estate versus stocks. Let's find out which investment strategy aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Investing can seem daunting, but understanding the fundamentals is key. Both real estate and stocks offer potential for growth, but they operate very differently. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Their value fluctuates based on market conditions and company performance. Real estate, on the other hand, involves owning physical property. Real estate often feels more tangible than stocks. You can see it, touch it, and even live in it. This can provide a sense of security for some investors. Rental income provides a steady cash flow. Plus, property values tend to appreciate over time, building long-term wealth. However, real estate requires significant upfront capital. The stock market offers greater liquidity than real estate. You can buy and sell stocks relatively quickly and easily. This flexibility is a major advantage. Stocks also require less active management. You don't have to worry about repairs, tenants, or property taxes. Diversification is easier with stocks, spreading risk across multiple companies. Real estate investments are generally considered less volatile than stocks. However, they are not immune to market fluctuations. Economic downturns can impact property values. Stocks can be more volatile in the short term, but historically, they have delivered higher returns over the long term. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. Your financial goals should drive your investment decisions. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment, or something else? Your timeline matters. Consider your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with market fluctuations, or do you prefer a more stable investment? Your available capital is also a key factor. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best investment strategy depends on your individual circumstances. Consider diversifying your portfolio with both real estate and stocks. Talk to a financial advisor to get personalized advice. They can help you assess your risk tolerance and create a plan that aligns with your goals. Research is key. Ready to take control of your financial future? Don't wait any longer to start investing. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful financial tips and tricks. Start your journey to financial freedom today.